Hello everyone, how are you all doing? My name's Linda and you are in my nookery. You can find me on Instagram and on Instagram and Ravelry as Linda Simpson Designs, and I have a Facebook group as well called Disley Sisters Creations. The reason we're here today is to pick the winner for October's sock yarn, and just give you a read run. So really nice autumnal sock yarn by Elise, which is a Turkish yarn, and so this is what is it? It's 100 grams, 75% superwash merino, superwash merino, and 25% nylon, and there's 100 grams. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, 420 meters, 459 yards. You're going to get a 4mm circular needle, and you're going to get some stitch markers. So I'm going to we're going to go across to the computer, to the YouTube comment picker, and let's pick a winner, shall we? So this is the video. I'm going to copy the URL, go to YouTube random, and I'm just going to paste and then add comment replies, filter for duplicate users, and then we're going to, I don't need to do the sum, and then we're going to get the comments. Let's see how many comments. 112. Well done. Thank you everybody for your comments, and let's move across to the start, and I wish you all good luck. Let's pick the winner. Karen JSP, take your time and get completely well. It does look and sound like you are getting better. You always have lovely yarn. Stay safe, have fun. Well, thank you, Karen. Congratulations. You are October's sock yarn winner. Congratulations, Karen JSP. What you need to do is email me at this address, your postal address. You have 7 days to contact me, and if I've not heard from you in 7 days, then I will pick another winner. I want to thank each and every one of you for entering, and also welcome to all my new subscribers. And don't forget, I still have the October yarn giveaway going on, and if you've not entered that, then hop across. I'll leave the link in the description box below for October's yarn giveaway, which is all the way from Turkey. So take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, as I always say, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now. Bye.